What's going on YouTube? Back at y'all with another video, man. I'm on a house call. Trailblazer SS. Customer said that he having a no start after doing some things with the connectors on the ECU to get his E-fans to work because he swapped from a fan clutch. This is an older model style. I'm gonna flip the camera over and let y'all see real quick, but just a quick little rundown of it. I just know it's intermittent start, and we go see what we can do to get it to start up. So let me pause it. It's right here. Trailblazer SS. Got to see why it's not starting. I already popped the trunk for it. Well, not the trunk, the hood. About to see. Okay. Yes. Hold on. Let me sit y'all down real quick. Okay. Trailblazer SS, man. It's 06, I believe. Got a little dual alternator set up right there. And here we go. I can see that computer ain't in the same place. I see he been messing with it. So I'm gonna just see what he done did. He got the fans in there looking pretty good. So I'm just gonna check it out and see. We'll go see if it'll do a little test start. Hey, you know her bike in there. Oh yeah, I got the fan open. Let me let the baby say hey to y'all. No, she gotta say that. Ari, say hey to the blog.
Say hey, Ari.
Say hey. Say she just woke up. Oh yeah, they finna go chill for a minute while I go to town on him real quick. The real deal is shish, man. Sure, yeah, man. What's good in here? Door panel's gone, but seats look good and stuff. So we just about to see, man. Let me see. All right. Get this camera up. Dash light up. No start. Up. Turn that key. Nothing. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Okay. What are we missing? Let me pause y'all for a minute. I'm gonna come back at y'all. What's going on, y'all? Okay, I got the laptop out, man. Okay, so we about to let that boot up. We about to just see if we communicating at all. So about to pull out the handy dandy HP Tunel's device. So hold on, man. Let me get it plugged on, sit y'all down, but just a little bit of troubleshooting and whatever like that. He had paid the deposit already, so yeah, scheduled his appointment as y'all can do on my Facebook. And I real life pull up on you, man, like real life. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta pay for me. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pay it for whatever needed done. Like especially like as far as like troubleshooting like this whenever you done did mods to your vehicle or whatnot. So alright, I got it. Where that key at? We about to put that key back in there, the ignition. And we are going to check. Got the computer all, let's cut that radio off so we don't kill Nando. You know what I'm saying? Cut that air out, bro. Cut that air out. Yeah, man, he blowing that in that guy. So yeah. Let me pop into there. Let's put him on a scanner. And let's see if we can get this little SS to purr. Let's see what's stopping her from purring. So all the gauges are reading down. For some reason, you got to check engine code. You got the traction control on. Battery code. I don't know why. What's going on with this? Let's see if we make connection. I'm gonna put them on the scanner and see what it do. You go read. Cool. Let's see. Let me read the DTCs. Lost communication. Ooh, we got a UU. So let's see what's going on with it, y'all. The U0100. No communication with system. So, yeah, let's check that out. Okay, the code stands for, it's a loss of communication. They say that it could be a battery issue, which would mean, yeah, and he has a service airbag. That's body control module though. But that battery code, they say check your battery first. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut her down, take the key out, and we are going to look under the hood. Okay, put the key on the seat. Okay. Let's see if he making good connections, y'all. I'm gonna pause y'all out for a minute. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm back at y'all, man. After a little bit of tinkering, I got her spinning over. But one of my biggest main deals is I'm not getting an RPM signal. So I'm gonna go back in the connector. I'm gonna do a little bit more pushing down and just see what's up. Let's see. I'm pull it back up on the scanner. The scanner-de-erd. Let's see. Go get it. Go key on. All right. Read. Let it read. Let it read. Let it read. Okay. I don't know if I can get y'all. Y'all see that thing, man? Just running theories on this thing. We're gonna put it back on the diag and see. Let's get it to turn. Go out of position word. Oh, it is registering the RPM. Is it just out of gas? No, it can't be out of gas because the whatever. Let's see what codes it's doing though. Fuel pump primary circuit. Yeah, no fuel. Wow, let's see why. Let's see why. I'm gonna pause y'all. We getting these codes now, family. Fuel pump code. I tried swapping the relay. Nothing prevailed. I don't know if it's that eval, but I'm gonna check it though. But it's still a stock car. It's not like a swap or nothing, but he may need a fuel pump, or his fuel pump isn't triggering anymore because it's malfunctioning, or he just may need another relay, one of these AC Delco type relays. So I'm gonna let that man know that, man. We came out, did the house call, y'all. Clean SS, man. We got him turning over though. He wasn't doing that before, so yeah, he ain't even pulling. So yeah, we go have to see, look into this fuel pump situation. So yeah, man. And we might have a part two of this, but I don't know. He might have to deal with that, man. It was just a house call, man. So y'all get that boy, man. Yeah, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. We out this thing, man. What up, family? Tinker with it for a little bit more. Ended up going ahead and I just decided to try something, try a little trick. Got that mother to turn over, man. It ended up being a bad relay. So yeah, I'm gonna let the customer know. And he'll go ahead and, you know. Oh, he's really loud too. It's a goddamn pig, man. Yeah, man, I'm just glad I got Cat up running, man. So I'm gonna let dude know the damage. Hey, to be conversion, man. Hell, that's one shining, man. Y'all already know. I don't be playing with these boys, man. I get them motherfuckers going, man. But we still having some dead communication. Oh, damn, a beat. Go get the fuck on, nigga. my bad. Hold on. Yeah, we ain't get no pedal right now neither. We're gonna see what's going on though, man. But we got one part out the way. Let's see. Oh damn, hey, this on now. Okay. Okay, y'all, we got throttle response back. Oh, it sounds like a monster too. Wow. But yeah, man, we're still having some communication issues, man. But I'm just gonna let them know what's going on. But got his throttle back. It sounds really good too. Yeah, buddy. Good deal.